What's up, everybody? It's Stuck in Carbonite, and today I have an unboxing. I bought some stuff from Walmart as a Christmas present, I guess, to myself, but mainly because they were such good deals. If you didn't know, Walmart, Amazon, Target, everybody is trying to have the best deals on everything. And so far, the selection hasn't been like too crazy for me to jump on anything until now. So as I open up this huge box, I'll let you know exactly what I got here and tell you why I got this stuff. So we got the trusty cloud knife, or safety blade, box cutter. So yeah, I'm really excited about this, especially considering that this isn't like part of their Black Friday. Oh yeah, this is sick. Okay, so first off, we got packaging material. Nobody cares about that. So yeah, we'll do the smallest item first. So yeah, you guys know I'm a G.I.Joe classified shield. If you've been watching me, or if you've been watching my videos, I absolutely love classified. I will always defend this line. I think it is the best action figure line out right now. But I got Tunnel Rat. This is the Night Force version, which is a Walmart exclusive, if I'm not mistaken. They had Tunnel Rat for $10, which I thought was a steal. And then they also had Shooter for $15. I passed on Shooter simply because I don't know much about the character. You know, technically, Shooter had an appearance in G.I. Joe issue #1 whenever she was on the, or he or she at the time was on the roster that was on the wall in like the headquarters. And if I'm not mistaken, if anybody knows any more about Shooter, be sure to correct me in the comments. But I believe she or he had a, I think they made her a she in the Devil's Due, right? So if there was an issue with her in Devil's Due, please let me know if she was in that comic run or not. But anyways, for $10, you can't go wrong. Super cool version of Tunnel Rat. I don't have the original version, and I don't know why I've been holding off so long. I kind of want the original version, but I really do like the black shirt over the green. For some reason, that outfit just doesn't look right for me, even though that is Tunnel Rat, like it's pretty faithful. I really dig this. I just wish he had like the face paint, but other than that, really cool figure. And you know, he represents the GOAT, Mr. Larry Hama. So yeah, cool figure. And to me, what was the steal, and the reason why this box is so massive, is this bad boy. So yeah, this is excuse me. I'm dying. Yeah, sorry about that. I've been dying. That's me. Whoa. I've been dying. As you can tell, my throat has been bothering me. And I haven't coughed in like over an hour until now. But yes, I got the Micro Galaxy Squadron Ghost. And the best thing about it is, you know, this is a $60 item. I got it for $15 on Walmart.com. And last I checked, which was earlier today, those same 3 items I mentioned, Tunnel Rat, Shooter, and this, are still the same price. So if you want a Ghost for $15, now's your chance. I really don't think it'll be up much longer. Excuse me. Dude, I'm dying. But anyways, the Micro Galaxy Squadron. This line is amazing. I've always appreciated it. I have a few items from the line, and I think it's great. I'm not a diehard collector of it because I just don't, as you can see, I just don't have the space or the room. But it's also something that I would love to get more into. You know what I mean? Like, it's something that I definitely like to see, and I would like to have more of. But this gives me an excuse to buy a Phantom. And what's crazy is I'll probably spending more money on the Phantom than the actual, you know, the ship it docks on, you know? So, yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, I'm very happy. As you can see, I get the Ghost, and I have Tunnel Rat. So I might do a review on these. I might not. You guys know me. You know I'm always pumping out reviews on the daily. But, you know, in all seriousness, I probably won't make a video anytime soon. Heck, I don't even know if I'll make a video before Christmas. So if you guys don't see me before Christmas. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful New Year's, a wonderful holiday. Just really appreciate this time with your family and your friends. Guys, eat good, you know, be healthy, live life, touch grass, you know, do some cool things out there. But yeah, I appreciate you guys all for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay frosty.